You're eating a credit card worth of plastic every week. Scientists just found plastic in 90% of the blood they tested, not in landfills, not in an ocean, in our human blood. 24 different types of plastic, to be precise. That is floating through our veins. And here's the part that made me lose it. They found it in placentas. That means that babies are exposed to it before they're even born. So today, I'm going to show you what I'm doing about it from the outside in and the inside out. So what are microplastics? They come from the dust in our air, the plastic bottles that we drink, food containers, even clothes that we wear. We are being inundated with these microplastics. So much so that we contain as much as eating a plastic credit card once a week. So here's why it matters for us. For one, women especially, that those plastics, those microplastics, will actually mimic estrogen in our body. So they're gonna mess with our thyroid. They're related to gut issues, inflammation, hormone imbalance, and even fertility problems. So a lot of us are just blaming our homes, our stress, and different things like that for the problems around fertility or inflammation, but we have to actually look at what we're ingesting every week, which is a credit card worth of plastic. So the good news, our body has detox pathways built in our liver, our skin, our gut. So we just need to support them. So today I'm going to show you 2 DIYs that make it super simple to get the plastic out of your blood. Okay, so first up is my citrus roller detox. And so this is going to work from the outside in. So let me show you how to make this. Okay, so for our detox roller, we're going to add 10 drops of lemon, and then we're going to add 10 drops of grapefruit. And then we're gonna add 5 drops of wild orange. And then we're gonna do 5 drops of frankincense. And then what we'll do is we will top this off with fractionated coconut oil. So our citrus oils are loaded with D-limonene, and D-limonene is known to penetrate through the skin and help those citrus oils really with the detox process. So that's why we used the detox oils, such as the citrus oils, in the detox roller. So once you get all of those oils in, you give it a good roll, a good shake, get all those oils mixed together, and then you'll actually apply it kind of under your rib cage, on your liver area. That's where you're going to want to put that daily. And then to work from the inside out, I like to drink some water with lemon oil and grapefruit oil. You just need 1 drop of each, and this will help to work on the liver. And I also like to take my Revitazine capsule. That will actually help to stimulate liver, to rid those toxins. It works on all of our detox pathways. So this is a great solution to work from the inside out while having your detox roller to work from the outside in. That is our first step in getting rid of the microplastics in our blood. The second step we're going to do is we are going to teach you how to make a detox bath. Our detox bath, we've made a lot of bath salts in the past, is just a 1/2 cup of baking soda and then 2 cups of Epsom salts. And then we're going to add our cypress oil. We're going to do 10 drops of cypress for circulation. And then we will do 10 drops of lemon. Remember, that's our very strong detox oil containing lots of D-limonene. So we will do 10 drops of lemon. And we will do 10 drops of juniper berry. That's going to really help with lymphatic support. And then we're going to do 5 drops of rosemary. Rosemary is going to stimulate and get things moving. Now, before you take this bath, an additional step that you can do, it's not required, but it will actually help, is to dry brush. So start at your feet and work up, and that moves the lymph and helps things to expel a little bit quicker. So about 30 minutes before your bath, drink another glass of water with that grapefruit and lemon in it. And then you'll take a Terrazyme with that water, because that will help your gut eliminate those plastics a little easier. And then drink another 16 ounces of water after your bath. So you got it? So it's dry brush, drink your water with lemon and grapefruit, take your Terrazyme before your bath, and then you'll jump in this bath. We've got our Epsom salts and all these oils in here. You'll mix all this together. You can put it in a jar. You can put a cup or 2 of this in your bath, and you should soak for 30 minutes. So the bath is going to help pull the toxins through the skin. And then the internal protocol will help your gut and liver process and flush those toxins during the process in both directions. So that's the whole point. We can't avoid microplastics entirely. We can't live in a bubble, right? So what we can do is to help eliminate them on a weekly basis. Get your weekly detox bath in on a daily basis. Use your roller, use your essential oils in your water to help with those detox processes. And then some practical things you can do in your home is switch out the water bottles for glass bottles, switch out your plastic containers for glass containers, get a good water filter on your home, and maybe swap out some of those fibers in your clothing for good natural fibers. So I hope today you learned a few ways to help to remove those microplastics in your blood on a weekly basis. So if you like this content, please give us a like, a subscribe. This will help us to keep bringing health and wellness to others.